name's Dylan Turner and I'm a web and software developer, and today I'm going to talk a bit about a musical browser-based app I made called LudoTune. So I'm going to jump straight into a demonstration because I think that's the best way to communicate exactly what it is, and I'll explain some things as I go. So LudoTune is a musical toy for making loops or songs in a 3D environment. So basically, you place cubes which correspond to musical notes to create a sequence and then press play to hear what it sounds like. As you can see, there's a signal that passes from one cube to another, and as each cube becomes activated, it lights up and emits a sound. In addition to the pitch, you can also set the volume and instrument for each cube. The signal start property lets you decide which cubes should activate first. Another useful property you can control is the direction. By default, a cube will pass the signal to all of its adjacent cubes, which lets you split one signal into many different paths, but you can limit it to just one direction by setting this property. And this is how you can make loops. In terms of the technologies used, I used Tone.js for audio scheduling and sample playback, and Three.js for 3D rendering. It's mostly a client-side application, but to take advantage of being on the web, I've included a URL-based save-load system with link shortening enabled by Firebase. So users can easily generate and share short links of their creations. There's also a featured creations menu, and there's a form here for anyone to submit their links of their creations. So I'd encourage anyone to do that. I always like seeing what people can come up with. Although the core mechanics are there, LudoTune is still in beta. I've been working on some features to add more depth and to make it easier to create songs with different sections or music that can evolve over time in a generative way. If you have any suggestions, questions, or feedback, don't hesitate to get in touch. To finish, I'll just show another creation I've made. If you're interested, there are a few more you can check out in the featured creations menu as well. So if you want to know more, feel free to come along to the demos and artwork session, and you can also try it out for yourself at ludotune.com. Thanks.